This is the weather forecast video for Friday, September the 23rd, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some cloudiness with some showers and thunderstorms with the storm system off to our south and east. Meanwhile, some mid and lower level clouds over the state, or at least the eastern counties of the state, with an upper level low that will be affecting us over the next several days. Watch warning map from just before midnight. A frost advisory in effect for Harrison, Monona, and Shelby counties from 4 until 8 this morning. Otherwise, some freeze warnings across southern Colorado mountains, and a fog advisory over east central Illinois. The QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days, this is through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock, shows that anywhere west of I-35 will see likely nothing, while east of I-35 rainfall amounts could range upwards to 3/4 of an inch. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. At 18,000 feet off the ground, an upper level low centered about near Milwaukee or Chicago, with lobes of moisture spinning around it. But today, most of the moisture will be on the eastern side of the upper low over Michigan and Indiana, while we'll stay with some clouds, maybe a sprinkle, and highs in the 60s east to 70s west. Saturday, same story. Maybe a sprinkle or a very light shower across the eastern counties, otherwise partly to mostly cloudy across the east with mostly to sunny off west. Sunday, maybe a few showers, maybe a 20 to 30% chance over the eastern, about third of the state, while the western part will see some clouds and some sunshine. Monday, the storm begins to finally move off with the upper level low centered about over the northern part of lower Michigan. There will be some decrease in clouds. Temperatures will be increasing into the lows to mid 70s. Tuesday, statewide, a few clouds, but mainly sunshine and seasonal temperatures in the lower to middle 70s with no rain in sight. It'd be a good thing. Wednesday, same story. High and dry, sunny. Maybe a few afternoon clouds and highs in the lower to middle 70s, seasonal for the end of September. Thursday, be a repeat of Wednesday. High and dry and sunny and highs seasonal in the lower to middle 70s with no rain anywhere around. A week from today, Friday the 30th, trough over the Pacific Northwest, ridge still centered over our part of the country with a bit of a trough over the eastern Great Lakes and New England. But at the surface, we still are high and dry with some rainfall well to our west and well to the northeast. We'll see seasonal temperatures in the lower to middle 70s under sunshine. We head further into Voodoo, October the 4th. There's another upper level low centered over about Kansas City. And what's usually under an upper level low? Rainfall and clouds, and temperatures likely in the lower to middle 60s, with chances of showers and maybe an isolated thunder shower at times. And at the end of the forecast on October the 8th, trough over northern New England, ridge over the eastern and central Great Lakes, with a trough over the northern plains into the northern Rockies and Pacific Northwest. With that, a low pressure over eastern Saskatchewan, a frontal system down into the plains, some showers, maybe a thunderstorm at times in that area. Now time for the weekend football forecast. Thank you for watching the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.